everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to create these fun and easy foiled cards. Start by printing your desired design in a laser printer. Next, pick up some transfer foil. The one I'm using today is made by iCraft. As you are waiting for your laminator to heat up, start cutting out the transfer foil. Cover only the parts of the design that you want the foil to adhere to. In order to keep my design of foil in place as I run it through the laminator, I'm just enclosing my design of foil in between a thin piece of folded paper. Here I'm just using a Cricut scraper to apply pressure to the foil. If needed, run the design through the laminator a second time. I find that running the design through the laminator once is good enough. There are definitely other ways that you can do foil lettering. I also have the Make machine, however I always come back to this method because it works just as well. Here I'm just showing another example of how I have done some foiling on detail and accommodation cards for a wedding. I absolutely love how it looks. It's minimal, but it adds an elegant feel to any card or invitation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!